Alrighty, let's fly potentially the most aerobatic aircraft that's ever had DJI HD head tracking. I've got the Bags gimbal on here and the Cadex Vista. This is the e-flite Extra 300. Let's give it a go and maybe do some aerobatics. Okay, so here we are inside the Extra. There's me. Not a bad view. Just look at the throws on this thing. Rudder, full deflection. Let's get some airflow over the Vista. Wind's about this direction. Okay, let's go for a takeoff. Just gonna cruise first of all. Oh, that view, look at that. So, my good friend Phil, as always, we've done some line of sight flights with this to get the balance right, because sticking this Vista and the camera and the gimbal sent it really tail heavy. So it's got 130 grams of weight at the front. But let's see what the full deflection's like with the roll. That's ridiculous. Come on, this has got to be the most aerobatic plane anybody's flown with head tracking and HD FPV. It's got to be. Let's go for sort of like a half bunt. Actually, I think a bunt, is that where you start level and then go down and then go back up again, and then hopefully the wings are somewhat level when you're finished? So much spin in the ailerons that it's really difficult to predict where level's going to be. What's it like on the 4-point? Not quite snappy. Let's see what the stall is like. Let's go full back. And let's go for a stall turn. Oh yes, very nice. Let's go for a knife edge. Look at that rudder going, holding the knife edge nicely. Let's give it some more throttle and we might be able to do even. If we look the other side. Wow. One thing I like to do line of sight, but I bet it's going to be very tricky to do, is you stick it in a knife edge and then do a bit of a snap. Oh, there you go. Okay, let's go for like a negative snap roll. Okay, so we're going to go full on the power. This should look weird. Wow, that is so fast. It just gets faster. Let's try a bit of a Cuban, but might be difficult. So, come up into the loop, wings level, over the top, level out, and then back over. That's difficult now. Oh, kind of. Don't have any lines of reference because I've got a slight crosswind here. Let's gain a bit of height. Okay, that was easy. Let's see if we can get it to do a tumble. This might be a bit more difficult. So we want that. Yeah, there we go, we're in a tumble. Oh, we lost height very quickly there. Look at that rudder going. Well, we've got a plane over there. Ah, he's turned his engine down. There he is. Waggle the wings at him. Can you see me? Let's see if we can put the plane into a spin first of all, so that would be that, and then add throttle, and I'm trying to go for a flat spin, so just increase the throttle, increase the aileron. We have got a crazy flat spin going on. That is insane. Is this the first FPV flat spin? I feel like we're losing height, but I can't really gauge it. Okay, that'll do, I think. Oh, yeah. That was definitely a flat spin. It didn't want to come out of that. The question is, do I dare put this through the gauntlet of these two trees? Yes, I do. Very pinpoint accuracy, this plane. Oh, landing could be interesting because even though the wide-angle lens on here makes it look like there's a bit of a dihedral, there's not, it's just a flat wing. So the stall point's very specific and quite violent as well, so, and we've got a very small patch, so I'm gonna have to come in for a low approach. Can just about see over the nose, just. Oh, got a little bit of lift there, and hopefully we'll land on the patch. Cut the throttle, flare, 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 turn. Just about made it. We need a bigger patch. So how about that? So come on, in the comments, is this the most aerobatic FPV plane ever with head tracking? I know we've done the Hawks, but nothing with a roll rate and elevator like that and a flat spin. Absolutely crazy. Let me know in the comments what you think.